Hello. In this video, we want to tell 10 of the most poisonous snakes. One of the most amazing things is that although many people think of snakes as dangerous and scary, most of them are actually very peaceful and only become dangerous to humans when they feel threatened.
10. Eastern tiger snake. This beautiful but highly venomous snake is responsible for approximately 17% of all reported snake bites in Australia. The black stripes on its yellow body like a tiger's body have given it this name. But not all tiger snakes have the same body color or pattern. Found in the coastal areas of southern Australia, the eastern tiger snake is usually shy and prefers to avoid humans. However, it is considered dangerous due to its powerful nerve toxin, which can paralyze humans if left untreated. These snakes do not cause many human deaths, and 1 or 2 deaths each year are the result of bites from this species, as Australia has good antivenom treatments. Unlike many other species of snakes, female tiger snakes do not lay eggs and directly give birth to about 20 young snakes. The highest number of tiger snake births recorded so far is 9. Boom sling. The male boom snake is probably the most lively snake on our list, and it seems wise to take it as a clear warning sign. The bite of this species of snake contains a hemotoxin that destroys red blood cells, disrupts the blood clotting process, and causes severe bleeding. Doctors have published reports of boom sling victims experiencing bleeding in the heart, lungs, brain, and even the eyes. What makes these snakes even more dangerous is that their bite does not cause any immediate effects, meaning many victims assume they have been bitten by a non-venomous snake and do not realize the problem until it is too late. These snakes live in the lush forests of Africa and feed mainly on lizards, rodents, and birds and their eggs. 8. Russell's viper. Named after Patrick Russell, a Scottish herpetologist who contributed significantly to the study of Indian reptiles in the 18th century, the Russell's viper is among the top 4 deadliest snakes in the Indian subcontinent. If the victim is not given an antidote and is not treated, he may develop kidney failure and die within 2.5 hours. Between 2000 and 2019, more than 1 million people died in India due to snakebite, with the largest percentage of deaths due to Russell's viper bites. 7. Shiny banded snake. The glossy banded snake can grow to over 7 feet, 213 centimeters, and lives in a number of Asian countries including India, China, Nepal, Indonesia, and Singapore. This species of snake can be easily recognized by the black stripes on its shiny yellow body. Despite its poisonous nature, the banded kite is relatively calm and docile and rarely bites humans. However, its venom contains potent neurotoxins that are strong enough to cause respiratory failure, paralysis, and suffocation. During the day, these snakes are mostly inactive and move slowly. Banded shiny snakes hunt mainly at night and are known to eat other snakes and their eggs. You may be surprised to know that there have been reported cases of a Russell's viper being killed and swallowed by a striped rattlesnake. 6. Blowing snake. This venomous snake is responsible for the highest number of snakebite deaths in Africa. This snake got its name from its defensive behavior. The venomous snake inflates its body and hisses loudly when threatened, trying to appear bigger and more intimidating. This snake is found throughout the African continent except in deserts and high latitudes. However, what makes the rattlesnake particularly worrisome is not its massive presence, but rather its habit of staying still in one place even as you approach it. This often causes people to accidentally step on the snake and get bitten. This snake has a strong cytotoxic poison in its bite. Large amounts of this toxin can cause extensive tissue damage that can lead to limb loss due to infection. 5. Parsley snake or saw-scale viper. Never judge a snake by its size. An adult saw-scale viper is only 3 feet long, but it is thought to kill more humans than any other snake. The high toxicity of their venom is due to the fact that it contains cardiotoxins, cytotoxins, neurotoxins, as well as hemotoxins. The saw-scale viper's bite has a huge collection of poisons. For this reason, scientists had to produce 9 different types of antivenom to effectively deal with the effects of this snake's bite. Saw-scale viper is found in dry areas of Africa, Asia and the Middle East. They are called saw scales because of the distinctive sound made by their scales when they rub together. 4. King cobra. No list of deadly snakes is complete without the majestic king cobra. One bite of this snake contains enough poison to kill an elephant or 20 people. They are also the longest venomous snakes on Earth, reaching up to 18 feet or 5 meters in length. These snakes, found in the dense forests and high grasslands of Southeast Asia, prefer to avoid humans and attack only when they need to defend themselves. Apart from king cobra, there are 20 other species of cobras. The name king cobra was chosen because this snake hunts and eats other snakes. 3. Black mamba. The boa constrictor is undoubtedly Africa's deadliest snake, but it's actually not the snake that people fear the most. This is because the blowing snake moves very slowly, although it can strike very quickly, but it is almost impossible to outrun the black mamba. The black mamba is considered to be the fastest venomous snake on Earth, which can chase its prey at a speed of 20 km per hour for short distances and 12 km per hour for long distances. While humans run at an average speed of 10 km per hour. Additionally, black mamba venom contains neurotoxins that can cause cardiac arrest in adults within just 20 minutes of being bitten. The good news is that the black mamba is elusive and does not like to interact with humans. 2. Taipan coastal snake. In 1976, a group of researchers isolated a chemical called taipoxin from the venom of coastal taipan snakes. Even today, this chemical is considered the deadliest neurotoxin produced by a snake. However, taipoxin is only one of many lethal components in coastal taipan venom. A bite from this snake can disrupt nerve transmission and cause complete respiratory system failure, leading to death within a few hours. 1. Inland taipan snake. While snake experts may not have a clear consensus on which is the deadliest snake on Earth, they unanimously agree that when it comes to the world's most venomous snake, the inland taipan wins hands down. One bite of this snake is deadly enough to kill 100 people. However, almost all confirmed cases of inland taipan bites have occurred in professionals who work with snakes, such as herpetologists who study them or those who extract venom from these snakes. Also, none of these victims died because there was timely treatment. The inland taipan is also a shy animal and prefers to stay away from humans. In addition, the chances of encountering the inland taipan are very low because this snake mainly lives underground in dry areas away from humans. This snake lives in remote semi-arid areas of central and eastern Australia and feeds mostly on mice. Interestingly, the inland taipan skillfully changes its skin color with changes in temperature and humidity. Their skin is dark in winter and pale in summer. This allows them to cope with drastic changes in their environment.